How are you people of the internet, gamers, YouTubers, and people that just spend time on their fucking couches? My name is G-Boss the Funtager, and today we are gonna play a game that I've been waiting since like 2 summers ago, Dying Light. This is a horror, zombie, parkour, open world game. I think that's the best way to describe it. Well, there's a lot of ways to kill zombies using your parkour techniques. There's this guy over here that for some reason wants his fishing gear that I want to do the secondary mission because it sucks ass. It sucks ass. Like you see here, we got some zombies and I got a Kofash, an electric Kofash. That is basically a one-hit kill to the head. So, you can say that I'm pretty overpowered. So, what I want to do this episode is loot some zombies, show you some Easter eggs, and my favorite of them all, the zombie dancing Easter egg that I've been hearing about. But first, let's do a killing montage.
About the things they wanna do to me now. Oh yeah. So I heard that you've been looking for a new man, and now I gotta come up with a game plan. Oh, I'm digging deeper than I should. I only have eyes for you. I only have love for two, and now I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you.
Well, if that wasn't a lot of killing and shooting and murdering, that was amazing. Well, now, what I thought I will do is I'll blow this zombie up. Cuckoo. Awesome. Now, before we go to the zombie Easter egg, there's a weapon I would like to get. It is the best grenade in the game. I'm not gonna tell you what it does. I'm just going to make a cut, and when I go there, you guys just need to wait and see. Okay guys, before we go there, I noticed there's an airdrop in here. Airdrop is something that comes daily, like 3 of them. We just gotta be really sneaky because there's people over here who want them. Okay. Molotov!
Where are you going? This ain't over.
You gotta die, guys. You gotta die, man.
Now you're just making me laugh.
Okay, fuck this.
I'm right here.
You want some? You want some, bitch? So I fucking thought. Let's see what's inside. Stolen valuables and some disaster relief packages. Okay, the Easter egg is right here. Oh shit. Okay, I'm here. Okay, that was violent. Now, that fucker over there is the reason for all this. First of all, look at his drawings. They're amazing. Let me show them. Now, you can turn on this bitch a lot of times and he will start saying, I love you, I love you, I love you, and after a long time, you'll see what happens. This is the first one. Second one. And I'm gonna put this till something pretty come up. Ah! And then we got the blueprint status field projector. Now, how you craft this, I have no fucking idea. Do I want to craft it? Yes. And let's try this. Let's see if I can craft it. Okay guys, apparently for crafting the status field projector we need fluorescent mushrooms. So I'm going to search for those like a boss. So I'll be RB. Okay, last mushroom. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. blueprints, and it's gotta be over here somewhere. Status field projector. Yes, I got 5 of them. I can't wait to try them on something, and I don't even care what it is. Just let me try them. Fuck the grenades. Yes, yes. Ah! Okay guys, let's find a ton of zombies. Okay, let's try. Look. Isn't this amazing? Let's try it again. Oh baby, this is a lot of zombies. Let's try them over here. Try me, bitch. Okay. Everyone, come here. Okay, guys. Hope you guys never forget this, cause I won't. Whoa, that's awesome. More. More. Well, that was a fun thing to do. America! Okay guys, so the mission is we gotta escort the survivor while he gets some ingredients to make a potion for him not to turn into a werewolf.
Why do you need to reach another safe zone?
One of the survivors here, I think he's a ghoul. Also, they tell me I have to leave because I'm a crackpot. Tonight is the full moon. We haven't much time.
Yeah, I'd prefer not to drag this one out.
So, you just go along with this guy, and then you need to do this mission. You gotta do it. So, then you come over here, you turn this power on, and 3, 2, 1, you look at the left and go! Just tell me if this isn't the best glitch ever. I got it on camera. So guys, I think that's it. If you enjoyed, shut the fuck up. If you enjoyed, hit that follow button, and don't forget to like, not the follow button, I'm sorry, the subscribe button. The follow button is for my Twitch channel, which you can do too. And while these guys are dancing Gangnam Style, I'm gonna finish my video. You can watch it all. Bye bye.